Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with ActiveCampaign. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically send form submissions directly into your ActiveCampaign account, helping you streamline your contact management and automation workflows without any manual data entry. Let's start by heading over to ActiveCampaign.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with various options available. On the left side menu, find and click on Settings. This is where you can access all your account configurations and important details. Within the settings area, look at the submenu and find the developer option. Click on that and you'll see your API URL and API key displayed on the screen. These two pieces of information are crucial for connecting Jotform to ActiveCampaign, so keep this page open or make a note of where to find them, as we'll need to copy these details in just a moment. Now let's switch over to Jotform. Open a new tab and go to jotform.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside your Jotform dashboard, look at the top menu and find the integration option. Put your cursor on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click See More to access the full library of available integrations. You'll now be in the integrations page where you can search through hundreds of apps. In the search bar, type ActiveCampaign. Once the results appear, click on the ActiveCampaign integration option. This will open up the integration details page. Go ahead and click Add to Form to begin the setup process. At this point, you'll be asked to select whether you want to create a form from scratch or use a template. For this video, I'm going to choose Use a Template, but feel free to select whichever option works best for your needs. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your purpose, then click Use Template. Next, you'll be prompted to choose an action. You can select from Create a Contact, Create Account, or Create Deal depending on what you want to accomplish with this integration. For this tutorial, I'll choose Create a Contact. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Now, here's where we need those details from ActiveCampaign. The system will ask you to enter your API URL and API key. Let's go back to your ActiveCampaign tab where we left the developer page open. Copy your API URL first, then return to Jotform and paste it into the appropriate field. Then go back to ActiveCampaign and copy your API key and paste that into Jotform as well. Once both fields are filled in, click Authenticate. Jotform will now connect to your ActiveCampaign account and verify the credentials. This might take a moment to process, so just be patient while it establishes the connection. After authentication is successful, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select a list from your ActiveCampaign account. Choose the list where you want your form submissions to be added. Then for the email field, select which form field corresponds to the email address. This ensures that contact information is mapped correctly. You'll also see options to add tags and automation. These are optional, but they're incredibly powerful if you want to automatically tag new contacts or trigger specific automation sequences when someone submits your form. If you need these features, simply add them now. Otherwise, you can skip them. Once everything is configured to your liking, click Save. Your integration is now complete, and any new form submissions will automatically create or update contacts in your ActiveCampaign account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.